Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to work with theme. Right click here, add a new form, Devexpress, add new item, select form, and here you can write that theme form, create form, and now go to toolbox, select layout control, drag it here, go to properties, search dock property and change the value with fill, save it. Now select combo box, edit and drag it here. Change the text to select theme and also search a button, add button here, and here you can change the button name with save. Select theme form and change the name, start position, center screen, save it and change the name to skin comb, save it, or you can also write name like comb skin, it is easy, save it. Double click here to create form load event. So theme form is our form name and load is the event. So this event will be fired when the form is in loading condition. So add for each skin container and cn in skin manager dot default skin, and here you can click here and use Devexpress skin, save this one and go to dashboard form, double click here and here you can write like create object theme form theme theme dot show and run the project. Here click on login button and then about theme, and here is our theme, and now you can go to theme form. For each is the loop and skin container is the class cn in skin manager dot default skins, and by using this object we can access the properties like skin name, and these are the default functionalities in Devexpress framework. So double click here, selected index changed, and add this statement Devexpress look and feel. You know that what is look and feel in our previous lecture. I'll tell you about that. And default set skin style, and we are going to call these functions. These are the default predefined functions to set the theme. Like Devexpress is our framework, look and feel is the manager, user look and feel default, set skin style, and here is our combo box skin dot text. Save it, run the project, click on login button, open theme form, and now look at the result. Like a very beautiful, a very handsome feature of Devexpress. So we can change theme by using this functionality. I think this is a surprise for you, and you can theme permanently by using this functionality. So after that, create a form for about, like close the project, and here add express form, and add about form.cs. Save it, select the form, and also save it. You can also change the name, like form, and the form name is changed. Save it. Thank you for watching this video.